Alright guys, on today's video it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to talk about polishing and cleaning aluminum. So I just want to make a quick video about brightening the aluminum up and polishing up and see, before and after result. Now these trucks, as you can see, we've already done this side. We used Mule Head brand Spec'd Aluminum Brightner cleaner. This is what the tank looks like after brushing. This is kind of the end result. Here's the step, here's the front wheel, and the front bumper's been hit with Brightner. And the grill actually was hit Brightner too, but this is what it came in with after pressure washing. You can see these were all concrete end dump trucks. Of course, you got a hydraulic tank over here, fuel tank, split tank for the PTO setup. But it has, this is concrete, guys. It's ridiculous. But as you can see, the steps aren't done either. This whole truck, wheels. We're just trying to do a quick before and after. So a continuation onto the detail video. This is what the trucks look like before. As you can see, they are just covered in concrete. They're filthy. I mean, absolutely filthy. Steps, filthy. Wheels. This is just one unit. Show you another one. It's just, they're all pretty much came in the same way. Filthy. This is your before videos, okay guys? Before we did any brightener or anything to them. There's 5 trucks total. You can pretty much get a rough idea of the before. That's what I'm saying. I didn't do it before and after on the same truck. This is before. We mixed this. It's supposed to be mixed 30-to-1, which it's close enough. Bought a garden sprayer from Menards earlier today. John has his impact and brush. Is that a, here's some damn impact. They're gonna see the tank's already turning white. That's the acid going to work. The step also, it's turning white. That's what you want. It's pulling all the oxidation out, all the dirt, the crud. And Johnny's gonna hit this with a Hotsy pressure washer to get this to come off. All right guys, so we sprayed our aluminum brightener on our tanks, our steps, our side steps, the box you just watched. It's been setting up for about roughly 10 minutes. And now Johnny here's gonna go ahead and spray her off. Tank is, as you can see, it's white now, but Johnny's going to be back here scrubbing this like this to get the concrete off. It actually does remove it. It's a lot more labor intensive. You just want to wash it. We'll wash the rest of the acid off. Alright guys, so now that we sprayed on the brightener, we pressure washed it all off, got all the concrete off. This is just kind of a rough idea what it looks like. We haven't polished anything yet. You can see the aluminum brightener makes everything very bright, almost kind of like a bright white look. You can see all the streaks and stuff. The next step on this is to pull this out in the sun. See the bumper as well. You'll get the shady area. You see just how much brighter and better it looks from what it did before. And the Aluminum Brightner, we got these results. Now you can see the reflective in the step there, the tank. That's after hitting it with white diamond. But I'm debating if we go with this finish or we just leave it at this finish. And this is after detail. It always, when I say after detail, I mean literally it's just the Aluminum Brightner, lots of scrubbing. You see the decks, the wheels came out. They're not mirrored finish by any means, but like I said, it's Aluminum Brightner on there. These were concrete trucks, so concrete's not the easiest thing to get off, but you can see a major difference between these units and those units. So 3 down there are the dirty ones. These are the 2 that have been cleaned. And like I said, as you guys saw in the video, it's just the Aluminum Brightner and some pressure washing, nothing crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video on Smoking Owl Aluminum Brightner video. Check out the video over here, subscribe button over here. Catch you guys on the next one.